Hi guys! Welcome to today's video and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, since gusto kong magkulay ng buhok at may nagpadala sa akin ng colored hair extension. So let's try this one. So for today, I'm gonna try this hair extension from Ugeat company. I don't know if I pronounce it correctly. So this is the hair extension that they sent me. This is a tape hair extension, but may kulay to. This is parang ombre siya. Ombre color. So the hair extension is a natural human hair. This is what they sent me. And this is the Balayage color 3 tones. And the length is 22 inches. So ayan, may kulay siya. O, di ba? Ang haba pala nito. So, 22 siya. Mostly, the hair extension I try is only 21 inch. But this is 1 inch longer. So, ayan. Isa lang siya, no? I hope this will give me kind of highlight color effect. So, kakaiba ang kanyang packaging, no? Isang ganon. And then, naka-fold siya. So, ayan. You can get this tape hair extension at Amazon. They also have clip ones, different kind of extension. Personally, I prefer the clip hair extension because most of the extension that I've tried, the clip hair extension is the easiest one, especially when you're putting it on yourself. No, so tape hair extension, sometimes if you really don't put it nicely, it might cause breakage to your hair. But this is just a gift, so choosy pa ba ako? So, itry na lang din natin. So, the hair is very soft. It's like real human hair. Parang mas malambot pa siya sa buhok ko nga eh. This is a 100 grams. May gramo. Diyos ko. Gramo-gramo pala ito. Charot. So, this is just, they're telling you about the hair extension. They have, virgin hair and a Remy hair. So virgin hair is a little bit much higher quality, so that's more expensive. So meron siyang extra tape because this is reusable. You can use this again. Tape hair extension is reusable. So I believe this is 20 hair extension. So medyo kailangan planchahin siya, no? This, you can iron this one. So if it's has a wave like that, because naka-fold siya on the packaging, you can straighten it out using ironing hair. So, hindi ko alam kung ilan yung nasa ganito. So, I think, siguro 20. Parang 20 siya. So, 40 total. Magugulat si hubby nito pag sabi, pakuli ka ng buhok! Ganyan. Okay, so, try na natin. Okay. So, isa-section uli natin ang ating hair. So, uunahin natin, of course, ang likod. So, tatali natin to para hindi siya sagabal. So, ayan. Meron ng highlights ang aking hair. Ayan. So, just make sure lang na hindi nyo lalagyan dito. Para pag yun yung hair nyo, hindi kita. And even sa likod, para pag in-up nyo siya, hindi siya kita. So, ayan. Ano natin sa likod? Diba? Ang highlight. Ayan. So, ayan guys. Hindi ko lang siya talaga nilagyan dito kasi nga minsan nagtatali ako ng buhok. So, pero pwede ko siyang i-ganyan. So, ayan. Instant highlight. So, the only downside lang talaga with the tape hair extension is it's really hard to put it on your own, especially at the back. Kasi kailangan talaga patient ka. So, kailangan align para hindi masagwa. So, it's really soft and it feels like it's your natural hair. So, I hope you like it, guys. Nagustuhan ko siya. So, it's just a little bit struggling for me because, you know nga, tape hair extension needs a lot of time and patience putting it on your own hair. So, thank you so much for the Ugeat company for sending me this Balayage color tape hair extension, and it's nice. So now I have a highlighted hair. So mukhang bagay naman siya. I think it looks good on me. You can find the product at Amazon. I will put the description down below. Also, this color that I used that they sent me. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. If you haven't yet, kindly hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Hanggang sa muli, I'll see you on my next one. Have a blessed day and stay beautiful. Bye!